Hi, this is Ashok. In this tutorial, I will explain about how to calculate number of contacts related to each account, displaying on account object. Look here displaying total number of contacts for each related account. And in my previous video, I make a code for only for insertion. Now I wrote code for every DML operation. Look here, if you have to calculate total number of contacts, there can be four possible cases. First possible case is whenever a new contact is inserted, at the time also we can calculate number of contacts. And the second case is whenever contact is updated, it means when a contact record is updated, if the account field is edited, then at the time also we can calculate number of contacts. And third one is whenever we can delete a account, at the time also we can calculate number of contacts. And whenever we can undelete, it means we can uh, roll back or records into original state. At that time also we can calculate number of contacts. Here I did this. Here I did this using with helper class. Why? Because if you want to write a condition for each action, it will take more code. So that's why I took a helper class. Look here in this trigger on context. This is a trigger. What are the actions? Look here, insert operation, update operation, and delete operation, and undelete operation. Okay, for these four options, insert this trigger code to fire. What is the first one? Trigger dot is insert. Look here, trigger dot is insert and trigger dot is after. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, it calls what is the method. This is the class name. Look here, contacts update on accounts helper dot update total contacts. Okay, this is the method calling with the uh, class name. Update total contact is a static method. Inside for that method we are forwarding what is the um, value. Trigger.new means it can contains a single or group of records which can be inserted into our object. Okay, look here in this insertion operation also I call this method. And in update operation also we can call this method two times. Why? Because if you update any record, that updated record also want to calculate total number of uh, contacts. And what are the records will updated, that old record also want to um, calculate total number of contacts. Here we can I wrote two times. I called this method two times. Why? Because in this update we can call two times. Why? Because look here, for example, if I update, look here, if I update this HDFC Bank, it have, look here, how many contacts have? Four contacts is there. If you want to update this, edit HDFC Bank have four contacts. I am modifying this as IDBI Bank. HDFC Bank have four contacts. It means before updating this record is belongs to HDFC Bank. In this updation, here old means which contact is updated, that record holds inside this, and this trigger dot new means which contact is updated. Look here, for example, it is the old contact. Look here, if it is a contact, edit, it is the old contact details. These details are stored inside this trigger dot old. Okay, here I am updating HDFC Bank to ICICI Bank. Okay, ICICI Bank. These details are stored inside this trigger dot new. So in this case, you can calculate the number of records on both old one and new one also. Old one is losing one record and new one is adding one new contact. Okay, so that's why here we can call two times, one for old record and one for new record. Here I am updating. Look here, save. So here I want to check here, ICICI Bank 3 records, I think. Look here, HDFC Bank 7, yeah, okay, HDFC Bank 3, ICICI Bank 7. Look here, once check, HDFC Bank only 3 records. Okay, ICICI Bank have 7 records. Look here, and again I want to move one record from ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank. Look here once, ICICI Bank have 7 records. Remain once, ICICI Bank 7 records and HDFC Bank 3 records. I want to move one record from ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank. Look here, ICICI Bank, this shake your phone. I want to update, edit, HDFC Bank. Okay, one contact is removed from ICICI Bank. It means it can calculate ICICI Bank total contacts once. That is nothing but trigger dot old, and I am adding one contact to HDFC Banks. One contact again, HDFC Banks total number of contacts also we can calculate. That is nothing but trigger dot new. I am saving this. Okay, now look here changed 6 plus total accounts. Look here, ICICI Bank becomes 6 and HDFC Bank becomes 4. Now I want to delete ICICI Bank one contact. Look here, I want to delete this Karan Johar contact. Delete. Okay, before deleting, ICICI Bank have 6 contacts. After deleting, what will happen, we can see. Delete. So I am deleting this. Okay, now I want to look here 5 contacts. ICICI Bank have 5 contacts. Okay, I want to roll back this deleted contact. If you roll back that deleted contact, you can go to recycle bin, and Karan Johar I want to restore. Okay, now I want to check contacts. Look here, how many 6 contacts again came back. Okay, let's check. Here we checked what are the condition. We checked update operation and delete operation and undelete operation. If you want to insert, look here, I am inserting a new contact where it is IDBI Bank. Okay, IDBI Bank. If you insert a new contact, and before insertion it have 3 contacts only. Look here once check. before insertion, IDBI Bank, how many contacts? 3 contacts are there. So here I am inserting a new contact using this contact. Look here, new. I am giving name Rahul Dravid. Okay, IDBI Bank. Okay, save. After that, these contacts become 4, and I want to check on my screen also. Look here, IDBI Bank becomes 4. So here total conditions are satisfied. It means whenever you can insert a new contact into contact, that related account can calculate number of related contacts automatically, and you if you delete any contact related to account, that the total number of contacts automatically recalculated, and if you update any contact information, it means you can update account, related account means then at that time you can update 2 times. It means old record also can update and new records also can update. I think you all are understood. Look here, it is the method I was calling when each action can perform. Look here, each action can perform. Look here, once here I wrote a trigger helper class, means contact update on accounts helper, and that I am taking only one class. Look here, only one class, sorry, only one method, and that taking both method and class. I have global with global. Okay, on that here contact list, whatever here sending a list of contacts. Look here, total update contacts. Here I am passing trigger.new. It means trigger.new, it is a collection of contacts. That contacts are stored in this contact list. Here I am creating a accounts. Look here, one account list. Okay, using that contact list, I am iterating a loop. Okay, every contact is checked by this statement. It means whenever that contact ID, look here, in this statement I am selecting total number of contacts, comma, what about another one, select ID from contacts. It is a relationship query. It is a relationship query. It means parent to child. Whenever we can select parent to child, we can write it within the round brackets, and also that object is in floater form. Look here, contacts. It means what are the contacts? Account related contacts. Using this, we can select the account related contacts into this account list. Here again I am rotating the for loop. Okay, in this for loop I am updating. Look here, I am calculating AC means account object, that contacts dot size means that related contact contacts. So here that contacts are collected and stored inside this total contacts. Why? Because here I selected single field. Okay, for example, this account can have 5 contacts. Here 5 IDs are selected. Okay, so here it returns the number 5. That number is stored inside this contacts. That contacts are added into a separate list. See, look here I created a separate list. Every contact is added into this separate list. Okay, look here. After that, update contacts have any one of the contact, it will update successfully. Here I am using batch apex. It means sorry, bulk programming. Bulk programming means here I am using a single update operation. If you update individually, here it takes lot of update statements, so sometimes it causes some errors. Why? Because how many DML operations we can perform at a time? We can perform in a single transaction, we can perform 150 DML operations. So if the uh, list can contain up to 200 records, it will not perform, it will display some error. So that's why every record is added to this accounts list, update account list. Then after I will update a single update statement. Okay, look here, this is the total code, simple. It is the code, it is the method working for all actions. Trigger dot is insert option and update option and delete option and undelete option also. Okay, for every action, this is a simple code. Okay, this is the simple code. Listen, guys, you can observe one thing. Why? Because if you want to any desired output, there can be so many programming codes are there. Okay, you can use your own programming code to get the output. Okay, if you get correct output in all cases, your code is correct. Okay, in my previous video I used this trigger code also. Actually that trigger can apply on contact, but here this code also can will execute. Here look, I created a trigger for about, it is another one. Okay, contact. Look here. Here I created trigger for account. Whenever account is created, that total related contacts are calculated. Total related contacts are calculated. It can also work, but it will work only when you can create a new contact at the time only. Okay, when you create a new contact at the time only it can perform. Okay, when you create a new contact on contacts, it will not fire, but using this also you can get answer. Okay, but you can also get answer. It can also work, but it can work when you insert a new record on account. At that time only it can calculate. Okay, I think all of you understood my program. Here I checked all cases on account. For example, in context, look here, HDFC Bank have 4 contacts. Through the contact object also I am creating a new contact for HDFC Bank. Look here, what about HDFC Bank? How many contacts? HDFC Bank have 4 contacts. Here using through the contacts tab, I am creating a new contact for HDFC Bank. Look here, HDFC Bank. I am selecting HDFC Bank and giving name. What about Srisanth? Okay, HDFC Bank. The contact name is Srisanth. Once I save this contact, look here, accounts, HDFC Bank becomes 5. Okay, Thank you to all. I think all of you understood my video. Thank you guys.